student, this is the format of your English paper, okay, which we will follow in standard 11th. So 20 marks ASL will be there, okay. In this ASL you have to be very attentive because there will be not only one competition, okay, for speech, but at the same time you will have to be very careful. You have to complete your work in your notebook, and all the tests, whether it is the unit test or whether this is the class test, all you have to attend, because whatever marks we will have in all these tests, they will matter in ASL, okay. So ASL will be for 20 marks, and then the examination paper, it will be of 80 marks, okay. Paper will be of 80 marks. Section A will be there. Section A is having 20 marks, and the distribution of 20 marks will be in the form of two unseen passages will be there, okay. First unseen passage will carry 20 marks. Here you can have different types of questions, fill-ups, and multiple choice question, synonyms, antonyms, different types of question you will have in this, okay. And the second will be unseen passage. It will have 8 marks. Here you have to make notes, means note making, as well as summary will be there, okay. Note making will be for 5 marks and summary will be for 3 marks. And then section B is there. It is having 25 marks, okay. Here notice, poster making, these two types of question will be there carrying 5 marks. And in your syllabus, some parts have been deleted by CBSE, letters also have been deleted, but you should remember that only the letter to editor have been deleted. Still letters are there, and these letters are placing order letters and complaint letter, okay. What these are, I will explain you, I will teach you, okay. This category will have 10 marks, and rest will be speech or debate carrying of 10 marks. Then section C will be there of only 5 marks only, okay. Rearranges will be there of 5 marks. Then section D, it will have 30 marks. Extract means 2 extract will be there, one from your prose book and one from your poem, okay. These will have 4 marks, so total 8 marks for the 2 extract. And then short answered question will be there, 10 question you will have to do, means 5 question you will have to do containing 10 marks, 2 marks for each question, okay. Then one long answered question carrying 6 marks will be there. One value based question also will be there carrying 6 marks. In this way 2 long answered question will be there. Value based question means sometimes some general questions are asked in which you will have to give your own opinion. For example, there is one lesson in your syllabus, we are not afraid to die, okay. In that the value based question may be, what is the difference between the attitude of the young children and the elder people while they are facing any problem. So this is a value based question. Here what you will have to do, you will have to give your own opinion, and then little part you will have to give as an example from the lesson, okay. Whole lesson we don't give, okay. All the concept is not from the lesson. Our own views, our own opinion matters in value based question. But note means you have to remember one thing, that any change can be there because online teaching is going on. If the school is going to organize online exam, okay, then the correction will be then and there, okay. You have to not give the hard copy. But if the hard copy system is going to, as just now we have followed in the unit test, then there will be no problem, this format will be followed, okay. But if only online test or exam is there, then little bit changes might be there, like multiple question, one word question, means you know the process of online testing, okay. So this is, and now I am going to give you the syllabus of the first term, okay. This is first term syllabus. Some lesson have been deleted by CBSE. So Hornbill, okay, at present time we are going to take 3 lesson, okay. First 3 lesson and 2 poems. And snapshot, again we are going to take first 3 lesson, okay. And total means in Hornbill there are 6 lessons, so we have taken 3 lesson in first term. In snapshot there are 7 lessons, so we have taken 3 lesson at present and 4 we will take in the second term, and rest in the section B. Section A you know very well, unseen passages, and section B notice, poster, letter, speech, debate, rearrange, unseen passages, something like that you will have. Okay, so you have to prepare according to this syllabus. Okay.